to take the glass out.
So you have to open and see now what we have?
Don't you have like a knife?
All we got is the trusty blunt scissor.
I zoomed in.
Oh, you can like that.
No, don't dare it.
Oh, nice.
Take a one by one, and so this is what the individual boxes look like. We also have the accessories.
So the colors are not in the box, right?
Nothing,
You have
nothing.
to open it.
The stock box.
So they're all mystery boxes.
And even over here was mentioned 2 regular models, 10 cars.
10 cars.
Sorry,
Nine.
10 colors, my God.
Okay.
I see you're not even here. Maybe the SKU code is different.
He said something about the code.
Yeah, the box seems to be the same.
Box is the same.
This is a 90 and this is a 110. The one is heavier. Because I mentioned saying the weight. There has to be weight difference. This is heavy. This is so let's just keep this aside and see if I'm right. Yeah, these two are the same.
Okay, so take 3 110s, 3 90s, and then we individually open 3 each.
But you won't know whether it's 3 190s, 3 1.
Not the weight. He just said.
Oh, 3 cars only. Okay.
He shows you open 3 boxes each, and then.
I think these are all 110s, I think.
So 5 110s, 4 90s, right? That's the way it was.
Something like that. I'm thinking this is it. I'm also too excited now.
What?
Vasant, go ahead.
You need a blade for that.
We need a blade.
Because you're going to damage the
Do
box.
we have a
knife?
Yes.
Okay, so have we separated the 110s and
I'm
the 90s?
thinking we have, but can't say for sure because we need a gram scale. Because now these two are starting to weigh the same.
Mystery box at its finest. But they should probably make all the boxes weigh the same also.
Yeah. That,
Holy shit.
You couldn't find a smaller knife?
okay, now I'll go with the scissors. That's not bad.
Warranty void.
Peeling banana.
No, wait, I'll give you the ones. I'll give you the ones back.
So excited.
Another warranty void.
Much more. Vasant, his kid game.
Done.
Hold that.
Hold that.
I'll take. I'm very excited to see.
Okay.
I have already. I got a grey one. I think I got a grey one.
Let's see what I got.
Oh.
Oh, I got white.
Nice.
I got a grey 90.
And I got a green content.
Ah, nice. Okay. That
Okay,
is.
I got a white 110.
Nice.
And it looks beautiful.
Yeah, I might.
No, we had analyzed on the colors.
So, what's this? This is.
Oh no, this is perfect. This is the black.
That's the black.
Beautiful.
We'll have to. No, wait. Let me arrange it.
Okay, there's a silver 110 here.
Okay. Pass that.
Remember whose is whose, huh?
No. We have pre-sent the colors already.
Ah, okay.
So we are just.
You're just opening
now.
now.
Open them all up to see what's in there because it's only the 3 of us who are.
Oh, the scissors.
The brown one. You wanted that, right?
And this is like a gun also 110.
Nice. Okay, I have that as well. I got the white
Oh, nice.
White 90. No, we'll put the colors together.
Yeah. This is the one I opened first. I opened it back.
No. Keep them all out. We keep them all out.
So there's 7 here.
There's
2
7
more.
here. Let's keep.
See this orange? No.
Yeah.
So orange is the
Black is different, this thing is different.
orange is the this thing.
That's
Right?
gunmetal and this is...
Might be
This is
secret
pure
color. If it's not there, it's a secret color.
So,
no, we'll take them all out. We'll see what is the secret color. So we are like that. some of the accessories have fallen, but we'll sort that out later.
Honestly, I think we got a really good set here.
Is there one missing? There's only 8 over here.
Yeah.
There's one.
Pack the boxes first together.
Yeah.
You can put it on top of this, the flat box, the big box.
No. We'll check now. And then the black one. So we have. This might be a secret color. I think this is the secret color.
Get the box. So Santorini black
No,
is here.
hold it to the light so we can see what we're looking at.
Santorini black is here.
Mhm.
Then that is satin grey.
Then this is satin grey. Then.
Satin grey. Satin Fuji white.
Fuji white is here.
There. Eiger grey is probably this
One
one.
of these.
No, that's silver. Eh?
Yeah.
That's Indus
Satin
silver.
Indus silver.
That's
Then
this one.
Eiger grey
Eiger is these
probably
two.
this two. Pangea green is
Pangea
there.
green, yeah.
And Tasman blue. We don't have the
We don't have the blue one. So
Wait, this is what about
This
this?
is the black.
that's
the
Santorini black.
Santorini
Santorini black. And this is the secret. This is secret. No, this is
Gondwana stone.
Gondwana stone. So we didn't get the secret
No
color.
secret.
So that the accessories are fallen off for some of them.
This one is green. And then there's a gift. You have to scan the QR codes.
Oh, seriously?
Each one has a card and this thing you can scan and then there's some gift. Who knows, we may get an extra.
This way.
There's a blue one missing from one of these. And those are the videos. No, that's one. You have a both of. You have a blue one there. Okay, there's a blue in there. That should be that one. Yeah.
The boxes are the same for every, right?
Boxes are same, but they are like
Okay.
Ayoshima boxes.
Okay.
They are the same for all.
Check the codes underneath. Are they all the same?
Codes are all 9 because I thought the code would be different because it should be they're all 9. I just checked
Okay.
5 of them.
Yeah,
so,
they're all nice.
Then it's fine. So this is the packet for the green, right? The green.
This is the packet for the
white
green.
steel leaves,
Yes.
Right? Okay.
And so there's a thicker one. I think that may be
Also the
this. Yeah, it could be.
The rear wheel.
Yeah. Okay. There's this different. Oh, okay. So there's a spare wheel carrier.
Spare wheel cover.
There's spare wheel cover as well because the Steelies. The spare wheel on the. Wait, hold on. Let me take this out.
I don't think Steelies get this.
Huh?
I don't think the Steelies.
There's no spare wheel cover in this. So you have 5 Steelies basically. And then. Can you see?
Yep.
So then this probably goes in here. You fit it there.
Right.
So I think there's one more wheel in here. I think. Okay, hold on. There are 5 wheels in here. Okay. You have the option. Okay, this is the spare wheel.
Right.
You have your 4 main wheels.
Yeah.
And then you have the option of putting the cover instead.
Okay, on the tire.
Yeah.
Right.
Which wheel is it? Okay, this is Defender.
Okay, so the spare wheel is thicker because the
Because
brake pads.
Probably not there. Clearance is probably different.
Yeah.
You create UK travel
Yeah.
also.
So this is that. This is for the green.
Right. Okay.
We will now put these back because we don't know. We don't want them to get mixed up.
Yeah.
And next will be whose grey one is this? This is Fallon's.
I think that's mine.
You think it's yours?
I honestly don't remember. I only remember the silver and the black.
And then we will wheels. So this should ideally have the Steelies. So
Okay.
there should be 5 Steelies and the spare wheel cover, I suppose.
with the white steelies and just the spare wheel cover.
Just a spare wheel cover. So
Okay.
basically, I think all of them have the spare wheel cover. So common is basically spare wheel cover, and so alloys for steelies and steelies for alloys.
Okay, so this is the only steely vehicle here, so I
Yeah.
think that's the only one that will come with the extra.
Yeah. So next we will go to the silver one. Okay. So once again we have 4 steelies for the alloys, and that's that. We shall move this up here. So unfortunately no alternating alloys, even though now these are the silvers. I suppose they are maybe Land Rover, when you order them also probably
I have a.
you can't choose the color.
Yeah.
I'm thinking that, but maybe who knows. Maybe undo that. We'll just display the 3 different types of alloys these come with. You can see you get your greys, your blacks,
It's not really useful.